Let's take a walk through the garden, come and see. Kain gari mubi. Biya who sweet fruits from it go just for you and me. Magpuro sistema ta sinaigo. Nani munage. African olive, let's subokoko. African olive in kya hubo bapoko. Soft and yummy, let's eat it slow. Oh, dino majunta kairi yamayo. African star apple, sweet and round. African star apple, utana buru buru. Udara falling from the tree to the ground. Udara nesi no sisi ahudana la. Red or yellow, juicy inside. Ushema mudodo do keniri numbe. Take a big bite, let's enjoy the ride. Wera no punreka iporindu. Fruits in Igbo, fruits in English. Mupuro sisi na igbo, puro sisi na be tasty and healthy, so delicious. Dimutana huike na tonto. Sing along, come on, let's go. Puro sisi iboni hengosi marama. Apple is crunchy, udara beki we say. Apple agaba, akara beka neku. It's 1 in the morning every day. Na erio no tutu kwa bachi. Ubo you bez avocado pear. Ubo you boba avocado pear. Mash it on bread, yum is fair to share. Chicha yana chicha yum, but don't make it korita. Banana is sweet, we call it together. Banana toto ina boya ogede. Peel and eat, throw the skin away. It's just too big or so nice. That baby no nube auditma. Add some salt, it's a tasty slice. Tiny and nutty, berry don't know. Fruits in Igbo, fruits in English. Mopuro sisi na Igbo, puro sisi na be tasty and healthy, so delicious. They won't turn out, we cannot do. Sing along, come on, let's go. Igbo fruits in a lovely show. Mopuro sisi iboni hengozi marama. Blackberry, puruji on the tree. Blackberry, puruji nelo sisi. Purple and juicy, wild and free. Purple na kemiriano, here nanefu. Blueberries, puranunu. Blueberry, bon puranunu. Tiny round in a bowl of spoon. No, erina pruburana kwefere mabunga jo. Abona ese bush mango seed. Abono bush mango puru. Good for soup, take a sweet indeed. Mama coffee okay no tonezi. No puro cashew, the cashew fruit. O sisi cashew, puro sisi cashew. Juicy on top, the nuts, the roots. Juicy nelu akubumbaru blue. Cucumbers long, okuruba. Cucumber de ogologo okuruba. Cool and fresh like a mini spa. Or the mama do hulu de kabere spa. Garden eggs anyara. Ube aklabu anyara. Bitter or sweet it goes far. Iluma bunto na grazie a ka. Grape is small, puro ven pebam puro ven. Pick and eat, they taste so fine. Ora mariha na to con cuckoo. Guava is soft, uboba so green. Guava de ro, uboba de nundu. Slice and chew, it's a tasty dream. Di beri na iko, bulana tuto.
Kick you.